Hi, Harry from Shildon. Let's pack your order. Okay, time to add it all in the box. Look at the colour difference in that. It was white before. That's one of our colour change pockets. That's a lot of pockets. Now time to add 22 more cheese. Free good.
Hi everyone, let's have a look at a few things which are coming in the restock tomorrow. Cutimals are back, stretchy dinos, orb narwhals. We've got these sensory cubes in, which have got a bunch of different fidgets in one. They're perfect for on the go. These freaky monsters, monkey noodles are back. These giant Orbeez balls, puppet pencil toppers, COVID balls, flashing simple dimples. So basically you have the little dimple piece, and when you click the button, it lights up. Rainbow fidget pads, pimple person, orb emoji men are back, tangles. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Hi everyone, let's see how many orders I can pack in this 3-minute video. My first order is for Paula. A spinning click and pop dimple, a strawberry poppet, a blue colour change mesh ball, a green, orange and blue 3-piece simple dimple, a yellow balloon dog, and an Among Us simple dimple in black. Pick in a sticker, and obviously a few sherbets. Let's pack it. All done, thanks Paula. Now let's do laces. Liquid lizard slime, a white on-the-go simple dimple, a red and blue wacky track, a stretchy carrot, a marble mesh, 4 more cheese, textured DNA ball, and a multicoloured 3D magic snake. Got out my sticker and sherbet. Let's pack it. All packed. Thanks, Lacey. Now let's do Katie's. Pink rainbow mesh ball, Nido cat, light up textured caterpillar, another Nido cat, confetti ball, and a zippy bracelet. Got out a sherbet and sticker. Now let's pack it. Thanks Katie, enjoy your order. Now let's do Emma's. Crab puppet, 2 more cheese, pink rainbow mesh ball, orange ombre ball, a marble effect red mini puppet, liquid lizard slime, black Among Us dimple, and a pop tube. Got out the sticker and sherbet. Let's pack it. Done. Okay, I think I've got time for one more. Okay, so this order's for Sadie. She ordered a jumbo colour changing giant puppet, a red coloured digit, textured DNA ball, a grey puppet bracelet. Got out the sherbets and a sticker. So let's pack it. Thanks, Sadie.
Okay, Chloe, let's do it. I can see this is your 4th order, so let's see what you've got. Okay, she's ordered a puppet, so let's see which one. One of our plastic green ones. A purple bendy simple dimple. An Among Us on the go dimple in black. Just stretch and get that one there. A colour change mesh ball in blue. Pop tube. Which colour should we go for? My favourite colour, baby blue. And then an 8-pop bracelet. And then from our joke range, a shop pen. I wonder who you're going to get with this, Chloe. Grab you an extra large bubble mailer. So there's all your bits, Chloe, and I've already got your sherbets out and your sticker, so I'm going to pack it up. There you go, Chloe, all packed, and it'll be with you in 2 to 6 days.
Hi guys, let's pack an order for Claire. 2 mochis, Ricardo the avocado, and a heart on the go dimple. Got out a sticker and 2 sherbets. Let's pack it. Thanks, Claire. Guys, let's pack an order for Richard Cook. A carrot poppet, a strawberry poppet, a green rainbow mesh ball, a stretchy carrot, a mystery bag, a blue silicone octopus, a red spinning dimple digit, a blue fidget pad, a super sticky slug, a blue colour change mesh ball, a 6-pop spinning dimple, a blue cat needle, 2 mochis, smooth DNA ball, a flippy octopus keychain, a koala plush, and a birthday box. So that's his order packed, and yes, I did add in the sherbet, sticker and free gift, but I just forgot to video it. Bye everyone! Hi everyone, let's pack our first order, which is going to the UAE. 1 colour changing giant poppet in hexagon, rainbow poppet, gamer poppet, butterfly poppet, blue rainbow mesh ball, blue colour changing mesh ball, confetti ball, textured DNA ball, Nido banana, ombre ball, green shell, red unicorn, grey dino, orange Nido monster, orange door monster, 2 mochis, a dog mini poppet, an iPhone 11 poppet phone case, a 5-piece spinner, a stretchy caterpillar, these 2. Then obviously as a free gift I'm adding in a marble mesh and a flippy bicycle chain. Adding in a sticker and a few sherbets. Thank you so much, Sadja. Hi everyone, let's pack an order for Millie. She ordered 2 poppets, a blue unicorn and a purple butterfly, a pooping pig, a red rocket mini poppet, and 2 mini sticky creatures. This is the sticker I've chose, and I've obviously got out a few sherbets. Let's pack it. Thanks, Millie. Hope you enjoy your order.